Please like, share and subscribe to Doit Industries India Private Limited and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates.
Introducing Ultra Blue Prime and Ultra Powder, the ultimate eco-friendly ultrasound, cleaning liquid and powder for gold jewelry, specially designed for gold jewelry cleaning. Our carefully crafted products provide a gentle yet effective cleaning experience. Removes dirt, oil, grease, and grime without damaging delicate and intricate surfaces. The process is very easy. Step 1. Add DM water in the ultrasonic machine for good recovery. Step 2. Set temperature. Temperature should be between 50 to 55 degrees Celsius. Step 3. Add Ultra Blue Prime and Ultra Powder. Ratio uses 15 gram Ultra Powder and 15 milliliter Ultra Blue Prime for 1 liter DM water. Step 5. Clean articles. In this process, clear dirt from the minutest places of articles.